right sometimes. When it falls like that. Nope.
You walk. For today's video mga langga, ito kami ni Frederick naglalakad sa ulan. Masyado namang maliwanag yung camera. So papunta po kaming where we heading? We're going to landmark? Uptown, Landers. Do you have the card?
Yes.
Okay. So maglalakad lang kami. Ang lakas ng ulan. Ako naka-chinelas.
We
Siya.
de la cap.
Siya naka-shoes. Me, I'm wearing slippers and you are wearing shoes.
Yeah, but it's not a good way to, a good time to wear the slippers.
Pagkata siya sa hagdanan. Hagdanang bato tawag dito sa West Rembo mga langga. Hala, sige. Ang lakas ng ulan. Gumagala. Are you tired?
No, but how on the neck?
Yan, palabas na kami dun sa may kalsada, sa may
Time to go shopping, eh?
lalakad na kami. Naglalakad na kami. Naglalakad naman talaga kami. Kasama ko. Ito yung paligid. Side. Keep going. What?
It's a beautiful Sunday.
It's not Sunday, today is Wednesday.
It doesn't matter. You didn't walk.
BGC. Go. Sobrang lakas na talaga ng ulan mga langga. Ang lakas na ng ulan. Basang-basa na ako. Yung kasama ko basa na rin. Basang-basa na siya. Ako din. Sobrang lakas na talaga ng ulan. Grabe. Nasa Landers na kami. Sobrang lakas na ng ulan. Bagyo na talaga. Sobrang lakas na ng ulan. Oh. Oh my God.
Nice weather.
Kumukulog-kulog na.
Did you tell them that it was my way of doing it?
Landers.
What are you doing? Me? You know what I'm doing? I'm drying. Anti-roid. Anti-roid. No, anti-roid. Brazilian, it means it's been cut 3 years ago.
Okay.
Wait, the light is not good.
It's not a picture. Oh.
Look, it's half price.
Look at the color.
Yes, it's frozen.
Okay. Which one you like most?
I like this one most, but worth it. Even the round piece at the end is taken. Put it there. Got the thin one for you.
Okay.
Thick one for you. Green onions.
Not the big one. Just the medium size.
You know that?
No, you don't have? I think we still have in the fridge, no?
No, you got it. Yes,
Okay. Ang lakas ng ulan, pumunta kami dito, tapos ito lang binili namin. Tomato, beef, di ko alam kung anong tawag nito. Yan, pang salad. At ang aking favorite na cake, chips, kasi mamaya manonood yan namang ng movie. Bumili din kami ng chicken at potato. Yan, ito pa pala. Yan, yun lang. Ayan na siya. What's that?
It's going to be good too.
No, no,
Why?
no, I'm sure. It doesn't smell good. Okay. But I'm sure you will not choose it.
Bills.
Nah, that's too big. You can buy in the street.
You can buy this.
Andito na kami sa mga inumin. Hinahanap niya ang kanyang bellies. Ooh!
Right, come with the glass.
How much?
Same price.
Are you sure?
Yes. So you get the glass every year. They do that before Christmas. But now here, oh, it's almost Christmas here.
Yeah, next week.
Hey, next week it's gonna be Christmas time. Already in September.
Yes. Diba?
Which color you want?
Outfit for today.
Which color you want? Face black. Blue, yellow.
Any color. I like blue and white.
How much they are?
It's expensive.
39 cents.
How much?
39
39?
pesos. You can buy two.
In Guadalupe? It's 3
Look
for...
at the quality.
Okay. Green one. You don't like the green one?
Green?
Yeah?
No.
Okay.
Face black. This is a towel.
Okay.
One of it?
Yep.
No. Only blue. Blue and yellow.
Okay.
Like that. Four. That's enough.
You know that you don't know how to put.
Should take a video.
Huh?
Should take a video of it.
Waiting for the fight.
Yes, to
Ladder. See?
What a nice video.
Thank you very much. The bag is here. Give me the bag. You like it?
Yes, I would have known.
What's the flavor of this one? No?
Everything on the store. I don't know where.
Kami kumain mga langga. At dahil nagustuhan niya yung pizza, yun, bumalik. Bibili daw siya ng isang buo. Kakainin niya mamaya pag naglutom at bukas. So, malamang hindi na siya pupuntang Shakey's. Dito na siya babalik-balik. Nakahanap na naman siya ng ibang makakainan. Hintayin ko na lang siya. Tapos lalakad na kami sa JP Rizal daw kami dadaan. Ayaw niya na doon sa may Kalayaan, masikip kasi. Kaya sa may Yumak kami dadaan mamaya pag-uwi. Why?
6 little boxes for 6 pieces.
How?
It's a full pizza.
Naglalakad na kami mga langga pa uwi. Medyo mabilis siyang maglakad.
We are going back home.
We are going back home.
On retourne à la maison.
Retourne à la maison. Traffic na. Mas maganda pa maglakad kaysa naka-motorbike. You okay? Dalawa yung bag niya. Sa akin, isa lang. So, pauwi na kami. Thank you very much for watching the video. Oops! Sa lahat ng photo. Bye-bye! Thank you! Na kami mga langga. And look what Frederick have.
A complete pizza in 2000 container.
6 boxes of pizza.
And they are full. Completely full.
Oh my God! And look at that. Oh. Ang dami niya. Pakita ko sa inyo. Nasarapan siya sa pizza. Kumuha siya ng 6 na boxes ng pizza.
It's a 1 by box.
One by box.
Yes. Oh, this one is open. We have to eat it.
Ang dami niyang tinidora. Tsaka, ano. Wait, I will take a picture of you first. So, but before that, we have to say bye-bye. To the video.
Bye-bye,
Thank you for watching.
See you soon. Hey, get in touch with us.